Well, hi there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack. That's me and my heavenly wife, Pam. And we found another deserted airport. You may remember a few months ago, we were in St. George, Utah late one night and found an empty airport. Now we found another one. It's the Golden Triangle Regional Airport located between Columbus and Starkville, Mississippi. Take a look. There's the Delta counter. Not a person to be found. As we make our way around the airport, we can see here if we go up really close and back here in the dark, it says, hey, there is a plane arriving from Atlanta, but not till 9:19 tonight. Otherwise, more empty counters here. Now, I must point out, it's a nice airport facility. There's just nobody here. It's just so strange. As we make our way through one of the main concourses here, we look to the left, and this looks to be where airport security would be if we had any flights that were leaving. Then we come out here. It's a really modern, clean, up-to-date facility. But take a look. Not a person to be found. This is a beautiful seating area here, nice and open. They've got computer workstations in all directions. But again, what a nice facility to have absolutely nobody inside. I've got the place to myself. Okay, so now we're making our way out of the waiting area. And around the corner here, we can see, it says the rental car area is going to be in this direction. So let's see what we can find. And wow, they're all closed up. There's Budget and Avis locked up. Hertz is locked up. Got all the major rental cars though. Enterprise is locked up. That's one I guess we could rent. And then of course here is the luggage claim area. Needless to say, not going to be anybody there. Hey, you want to see how the restrooms look here? Let's check them out. Well, they're nice. Clean and modern restroom facilities, I might add. This is really bizarre. Beautiful airport. Not a person to be found. Hey, there's the leadership of the airport. Maybe they might want to work on getting a few more flights coming in and out of here. And here's their big sign. Golden Triangle Regional Airport. And I notice here we've got some stairs we can go up. So let's see what we find up here. Wow. Look at this. More workstation areas. More empty chairs. And a nice view. Well, there you have it. That was our tour of the Golden Triangle Regional Airport, located just outside Columbus, Mississippi, off Highway, I think it's 82, that goes from here to Starkville. But I didn't find a single person here. Now, there are a few cars out in the parking lot, not many. Bottom line, I don't know if there is a bottom line. Bottom line is there's no people here. So strange, isn't it? So now I've had a run of two airports. The St. George, Utah airport, I had it one night all to myself. And now, on a Wednesday afternoon, I have the Golden Triangle Regional Airport in Mississippi all to myself. In the meantime, thanks for checking in with us. Subscribe to our channel. You never know what you're going to see here on Traveling with Jack and Pam. And also check out my podcast, The Jack Church Show. Until we see you next time, have a great day, a better tomorrow, and bye-bye from a lonely and deserted Golden Triangle Airport in North Mississippi.